ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवन्
ऐवन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐऔज्
ऐऔज्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञमङणम्
ञमङणम्
जभै
जभै
घटदश्
घटधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपचठथ चटतौ
खपचठथचटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
कुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचयशानां तालु
इचयशानां तालु
ऋतुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुरशानां मूर्धा
तुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
Yamaganan nasika cha.
Edaitogo kanthatalu.
Edaitoho
Kanthatalu.
kanthatalu.
Odautogo kantha oshtam.
Odautoho
Kantha
kantha
oshtam.
oshtam.
Vakarasya danta oshtam.
Vakarasya danta oshtam.
Jikhva muliyasya jikhva mulyam.
Jihvamuliyasya
Jivha
jihvamulyam.
Asika anusvarasya.
Nasika anusvarasya.
Anusvarasya.
Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate. Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramo
Ramo
Rajamani
Rajamani
Sada
Sada
Vijayate.
Vijayate. Ramam
Ramam
Ramesham
Ramesham
Bhaje.
Ramena Bihata Nishachara Chamuh. Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
Ramena Nishacharachamu.
Ramaya
Tasmai Namah.
Ramannasti Parayanam Parataram. Ramasya Dasosmyaham.
Ramanasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya
Ramasya
Dasosmyaham.
Dasosmyaham.
Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me. Bho Rama Muddhara.
Rame
Chittalaya
Chittalaya
Sada
Sada
Bhavatu
Bhavatu
Me.
Me.
Bho Rama Muddhara.
Yes, we will read what we have studied. Girjaji, we just read. Number 7.
Which one? From number 7, Guruji?
Number 7, you can read. Each one of you
Yeah.
will read 1, 1, 2. Yeah.
Padanta Sakara will be replaced by Refa. Example, Ramas would be
Repa is
Rama.
within bracket, you can write it as Padanta Sakara will be replaced
Padanta
by
Sakara.
Ro.
Ro.
The next one, Jyotiji.
Refa will be replaced by Visarga either when followed by a khar or at the avasanam. Example, Ramar plus Khadati is equal to Ramah Khadati.
So here Repa could be any Repa. Okay. That's why I have not mentioned. Repa is replaced by Visarga when followed by Kar. This example, Ramar example, here it is Ru. This is one. I can give another example also here. Let me write here.
Pratar Khadati.
Punar plus Kadati, suppose it's here.
Punah.
That becomes Punaha Kadati. So this example, Punar, the Repa here, it is not born of Ru. Just to show you the difference between the two. So the Repa is any Repa. That is why it is mentioned just Repa. The previous one, number 7, it is Ru. Okay, so you can note the difference. Otherwise, if you want the example itself for your understanding and make it as Ru. This is it. This is to show you example for Ru. This is just a Repa. Okay, next person, Kausalya. The next one you can read.
Visarga followed by khar, except ka, kha, pa, pha will be replaced by sakara. Example, Ramaha chalati, Ramas chalati.
Yes. Again, next person. Girijaji. Only 3 people have entered the names in the chat box.
Okay, Guruji. Visarga followed by, no, it's already done, I think.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3. Visarga followed by khar
Oh, okay.
or
Sorry, this we have not seen this part. Leave it. This is I opened the wrong file. Summary of Sandhi rules number 3, number 2. I think that is 1 minute. Let me open that file. This is the one. We are going the next file. You will see more and more rules are added. Okay, now you will see.
okay.
Now you can read this. Number 10.
Visarga followed by khar except ka, kha, pa, pha will be replaced by sakara. Example, Rama plus chalati, Ramas chalati.
Sorry, just a minute. Just copy pasting the example from the previous file.
Yeah.
Yes. Ramas, which one you read? Number 9?
Number 9, Guruji.
She read, I think. Okay. Next person. Jyoti. Number 10. Can read. Jyoti, you have to unmute your mic to read.
Yes, Guruji. When a visarga is followed by khar, which in turn followed by shar.
No. That is what you see number 10 in the screen. Oh, okay. Don't you see this?
No, sir, there is no.
It's 9,
no,
sir.
Guruji.
Oh, okay. 1 minute. This is a file sharing problem.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you can see.
Number 10, visarga followed by shar will be optionally replaced by sakara. Example, Ramaha plus Shete is equal to Ramaha Shete or Ramas Shete.
Yes. Next one. Kausalyaji, number 11.
Visarga followed by pa, pha, or ka, kha. Visarga will be retained. Example, Ramaha pathati, Ramaha pathati. Visarga will take the sound of upadmaniya when followed by pa, pha. Visarga will take the sound of jikhamoliya when followed by ka, kha.
Yes, next person.
Currently, what is the difference between Upatmani and Jikhamuli?
Padmanya Jugumuliya is the name of the other Visarga followed by a particular letter. Okay, next one. Surrender, you read. Number 12.
Okay. Visarga room preceded by A and followed by A will be replaced by U. Guna and Purva Sandhi will happen. Example, Ataha plus Ataha. Ato, Adotaha. The
Otaha.
A became Adotaha. The
Okay.
U became O and A became invisible.
Not who became O. A plus 2 becomes O. How can O become O?
O.
That is, before
plus
Visarga, what was that? That A plus O will become O. Then Guna, then what will happen? Purva Sandhi happens. When you read, I hope you understand. That's why I'm asking you to read. This is recollecting what you have studied. Next person, Lataji. Number
Visarga
13. Yeah.
Visarga room preceded by akara and followed by hash. Ukara and guna will happen.
Yes.
Example,
Yeah.
the same.
Example.
Atva plus gataha, ato gataha.
Yes. So in this file, the first one, Repa, any Repa, followed by Visarga. But in both example I have given Ru as well as Repa. In other examples, you see that the Repa, whatever may be the Repa, when followed by Kar, it will be replaced by Sakara. That rules will follow. Then when it comes to here, the rule number 12, where only Ru is talked about. That note that. Okay, next person now. Brother. So the 12, 13, already we discussed a lot in the previous classes. You have to remember. Number 14, Anuradha. Can just read.
Visarga, Ru preceded by a and followed by ach other than a, it is replaced by yakara. Ramaha plus agachati, Ramai agachati. And after that, the yakara is dropped and no further sandhi will happen. Ramaha plus agachati, Rama agachati.
Okay. Next person. Back to Girija, number 15.
Yes, Guruji. Visarga, ru, preceded by a and followed by ash. That is ach and hush. A, replaced by yakara. Balakaha agachanti. Balakai agachanti. Second one, yakara dropped. No further sandhi will happen. Example, balakaha agachanti. Balaka agachanti.
Yes, next person. Jyotiji, 16.
Yes. Visarga in Eshaha or Saha is dropped when followed by any letter except a. Example, Saha plus Gachati becomes Sa Gachati.
Yes. Kausalaji, number 17.
Visarga will be replaced by repa when preceded by any vowel other than a, and followed by ach or hush. Example, harihi gachati. Harir gachati.
Really speaking, Visarga is not replaced. Right? That we have discussed.
Repa is still there.
Sorry, Visarga is not replaced by Repa. Really, it is not. There is no replacement. It is only for our understanding. I have written like that. The Repa will become Visarga only when followed by Kar or Avasan. When followed by Ach or Hush, how can the Repa will become Visarga? Right? Repa will not become Visarga. So what is there is only Repa. So this rule, really speaking, is not a rule. It is only for our understanding. I have written like that.
Yeah.
All the way I am telling the same the thing. You have to remember. This is not a special sandhi rule. No. That is, in fact, this is not a sandhi at all. There is no such rule. This for our understanding, I have written like that. Rule number 17. You have to note that. Visarga will be replaced by Repa means what? When the Visarga will be replaced by Repa, there is no such rule. When followed by Ach or Hush, how can Repa will become Visarga? First of all, it will not become Visarga. Repa alone is there. When Repa alone is there, therefore just Melanam. Harir plus Gachati. Harir Gachati, just join. That's all. So you have to remember this. Don't get confused with the other rules, as though it is also a particular rule. No. So you have to remember when Repa will become Visarga. If you understand that very clearly, you know what it is. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Guruji.
Sharanga.
Remember that. I always say one step back, one step back. That is, before it became Visarga, what was that? Repa. But that Repa is there, preceded by A or followed by Ach or Hush. Repa alone is there, just join. Melanam, no sandhi. Okay. Then we will continue with the exercise. Then Krishna Kumarji, I saw your question. I think somebody has answered. I think he is clear. 1A plus Antar.
Yes.
1A plus Antar. 1A is what? First you have to see the Shabda. 1A is, it is, what is 1A? 1A is a Padam or not?
Saptami Vibhakti.
It could be Saptami or it could be Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam or Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Vanam Vane Vanani. Vanam Vane Vanani. Right? Or Vane could be Saptami or it could be Sambodhana also. Right? So it can be anything. So if it is A is there, then what is that A? Padanta A, right?
Yeah, Padanta.
Padanta A followed by. When A is Padanta, what about the following word? That also must be what? Padam only, right?
Yeah.
Are you there, Krishna Kumarji? When
Yes.
Bane is Padam, the following word also must be a Padam only.
Yes.
So Padantaye followed by the Padam beginning with Rasva Akara. Then Purva Sandhi will apply. So but then what is the connection between Purva Sandhi and Ayadi Sandhi? What is the connection? Relationship.
A is followed by A.
No, what is the relationship between these two rules, Ayadi Sandhi and Purva Sandhi? Anybody? What is the relationship?
When H is followed by Ach, H will be replaced by Ayavayas.
That is a
In
rule.
Ayavayas.
Okay. What is the relationship between the two? I'm asking. The two Sandhi rules.
Purvarupa is an upward to Ayavaya.
Exactly. That is what you have to say. Purva Rupa is apavada to exception. When two rules can apply in a context, a situation, when two rules can have application, then the apavada, the exception takes precedence over the general rule. Right?
Okay.
This is what is applied there. Exception. Exception always takes precedence. Right? Suppose
Okay.
I say in this class, okay, those who have their mic in mute, they will get, all the students will get apple. And those students who have kept their mic in mute, they will get orange. It means the exception, those students who keep the mic in mute, they get orange. All students will get apple, but those students those who keep their mic in mute, they will get orange, means that the exception. So they will not get apple, they will get orange. They will not get both apple and orange, okay? They will get only orange.
Yeah.
Exception. Exception takes precedence over the general rule. So that is why exception to be applied first. Exception, what is exception, what is general must be understood clearly. Even in the context of Visarga Sandhi, we have seen exception. Exception is apavada, general is utsarga. The exception is apavada and general, the relationship must be very clear between the two. So, in the context of this Shtutva Sandhi, we have seen. Can anyone tell me what is the exception to Shtutva Sandhi? When Shtutva Sandhi will not be applied? Apavada. When it will not be applied, Shtutva Sandhi? No, you have to tell the rule exactly, not general rule. What is the rule? When Shtutva Sandhi? Yes. Tell me.
When tu is preceded by Shakara?
Exactly. Very good. Yes. When stu is having contact with Shakara, preceding Shakara, then Shtutva will not apply. Exception. Example, Prash plus Naha, we have seen. Prashnaha. Nakara is Tavarga letter. Having contact with preceding Shakara, no Shtutvam. The Nakara will not become Nyakara. No, it will not happen. It just join. Prash plus Naha is Prashnaha. Apavada. Apavada takes precedence over Shtutva. Similarly, what are the exception to Shtutva Sandhi? You have to spend some time, daily at least 10 minutes, I said, then only the Sandhi will be very clear. Without Sandhi, no reading of the text is possible. Understand the text, we should know Sandhi. What are the exceptions to Shtutva?
Akara
Preceded by Padanta tu?
Yes, no, what did you say?
The
with
tu
succeeding
varga
Shakara.
followed by Shakara, Sha.
Again, I am not clear.
The tavarga followed by shavarga.
Yes, Tavarga letter followed by Shakara will not happen. That is one exception. Another exception, anybody?
Tavarga is preceded by Padanta Takara. Shtutvam will not happen.
Will not happen. Padanta too. When again, exception to that is
Yes,
there. What is that?
Nagari.
Nam Navati Nagari.
It will fall into Vishnutva Sandhi. This is exception. So when you know a rule, you have to remember the exception also along with that. Remember. If this is not understood, the confusion can come. Okay, now let us start from where we left. Atra plus itaha, atretaha, up to that we did in the last class. And more rules are yet to come. So we'll see one by one. Now let us do this. Starting from Girija. Now the
Yes,
next
sir.
one. Please read.
Ich plus
Ah.
sich. Ischis. Ischis.
How does it happen?
Chakara
Hmm.
followed. No.
Not Chakara followed by. First, that
Not
approach is not correct. You have to see what are the letters first. Don't get into immediate Sandhi. See the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the following word, then you decide.
E. Cha and E.
Not E. Where is E?
C means first sakara. Okay.
Not C. E
Ja-
is gone.
correct.
Sakara.
Chakara followed by sakara.
No, when you see
Sakara.
Chakara is there, Sakara is there, you have to change, you have to see change your perception. Sakara preceded by Chakara. That is what we have seen. Not
Okay,
Chakara followed by
Sakara.
Sakara. That is.
Yeah.
See, when you
Sakara
see
preceded
that
by-
combination, what already you have seen, that should come to your mind. So your vision has to be that Sakara preceded by Chavarga. When you say, then Shutta Sandhi will come to mind. Otherwise,
Oh.
Chakara followed by Sakara, what Sandhi will come? Right? So
Yeah, okay.
among the 14 or 17 rules, whatever we have seen, you see which is applicable here. Sakara preceded by Chavarga letter. Then what Sandhi is that?
Chutva Sandhi.
What will replace what?
Sakara will be replaced by Sha.
Shakara. Here answers are given, therefore it is easy. You have to do it. Here answers are there, therefore it is easy.
Yeah, that's
Sakara.
right. Yes, Guruji.
Okay, Sakara replaced by Shakara. Chutta Sandhi. The next one. Actually, also I can do.
Kapihi plus Ichchati. Kapir Richati. And this is Visarga followed by
No, that is wrong. First, wrong means you have to change your
yes, you just
vision.
said that.
How you see it, you have to change it. No, that is what I have been saying in all the classes. See, Visarga preceded by what? Now listen, carefully
Visarga-
listen. When Visarga is followed by Kar letter, you don't have to bother what precedes Visarga. This I have said many times, remember that. When Visarga is followed by Kar letter. Here Kar letter doesn't follow, right?
Yep.
Followed by what? Followed by verbal. Okay. If it is
Akshay.
followed by other than Kar letter, then you have to see what precedes Visarga. Visarga is preceded by E. It is not A, it is not A. Then those rules will not apply. What rule? Visarga replaced by Ukara or Visarga replaced by Yakara, those rules will not apply.
Yes.
Those rules apply only when Visarga is preceded by Akara or Akara. But here it is Ikara. So nothing applies. Really speaking, no Sandhi.
It's
So
just Melana.
one step back. What was in the place of Visarga?
Refa.
And Repa alone can become Visarga provided followed by Avasana or Kar, right?
Yes.
Not followed by Avasana. If Avasana is not there, why? Because we are doing Sandhi. When Sandhi is there, where is Avasana? Ruled out. And
Yep.
following letter is not a Kar letter. Therefore,
Not a Kar.
it is Ach. Therefore, what is there? Only Repa. One step back. Kapir plus Ichchati, Kapir Ichchati. Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
The next person.
Melanam.
Just Meran. Jyotiji.
Yes, Guruji. Vanaraha plus Dhavati. So Visarga preceded by Akara followed by Hush letter. It becomes U. So a plus o becomes o. So vanaro dhavati.
Yes, next one. Continue, next one.
Okay. Pashuhu plus charati. So visarga preceded by ukara followed
That,
by.
no, that you should, that
Okay.
don't say that. Visarga
Pashush
followed by
charati.
what? Followed by what?
Karle.
Followed by chak. It is a khar letter.
Then you don't have to see what precedes. When kar letter follows, don't say
So
preceding.
it becomes sakara. So it becomes pashush charati.
It becomes sakara, that is step number 1.
And then shutva sandhi will happen.
Then shutva sandhi. Two things happen. One is visarga replaced by sakara. Then sakara is in contact with chakara, succeeding contact, right?
Yes,
Then
Guruji.
sakara is replaced by shakara. Two rules are upright. Therefore, pashush charati. Next person, Kausalyaji.
Vinayaha plus Balaha. Akara precedes Visarga.
Not akara.
Followed by.
No, akara. Okay.
Sorry.
You always say with reference to Visarga. So we can speak in one language, everybody, right? Yeah, Visarga preceded by. That is better.
Visarga preceded by a, followed by Hush. So it is replaced by Ukara. So Vinaya U, the Visarga is replaced by Ukara, followed by Balaha. So Guna happens, A plus U. So Vinayo Balaha.
Okay. Next one.
Balaha plus Tatra. Visarga is followed by Khar letter.
Good.
So Balas plus Tatra. So Balas Tatra.
Yes. No Shutva possible, right?
Yes.
Because only when followed by Chavarga or Shakara or Tavarga, then only Shutva possible. Here, nothing is just Melana. Next person, Surendraji. Simple one.
Indriyani plus Atha.
Your voice is not audible.
Okay. Indriyani plus Atha.
Please read quickly.
Indriyani A plus Indriyani followed by as letter Ya will come. Indriyanarthaha.
Oh, yeah, will come. From where? Okay, next person. Anybody who can say?
Yan Sandhi.
It's simple Yansandi. E plus A.
Yeah.
Ik letter followed by Asavarna H. You have to remember. Ik followed by Asavarna H. What will happen to E? E placed by Yakara. Senator, you have to work. I tell you. You have to spend time. Don't spend time. You won't be able to answer. Next one. Continue. Next one. What's the next one? Simple. It is Achanti. You spend a lot of time on that.
Preceded by A, followed by A, will become.
Followed by Ha. Where is A?
Sarga will become U.
First, you have to see the letter properly.
Followed by A.
Where is followed by her? Which one?
Sarga preceded.
Not followed by her.
Naraha. Nari.
No. Visarga followed by Nakara only, not A. Where is A?
Followed by H letter.
Followed by Hush letter.
Then Yakara will come. H letter.
Yakara will come. No. Wrong. Anybody?
Yakara will come. Yakara.
No. Okay. Next. Anybody who can tell? Yes. What's the answer?
Guruji, who comes there
A?
and it becomes Guna?
You tell me the rule completely. Visarga preceded by.
Visarga preceded by
A
Followed by Hush.
Followed by Hush letter.
Yeah.
What will
So
happen to
Naru-
Visarga then?
Naru plus
Replaced by
Nari.
Ukara.
Narahu plus Nari. Naro plus Nari. Naro Nari.
Visarga is replaced by Ukara, then A plus O. Naro, Nari. Okay. Next person. Lataji.
Vishnu plus Atra, the Purvarupa Sandhi. Vishnotra.
Yes.
Pavitra.
What is the rule? Purvarupa Sandhi.
And Padanta ing is followed by Ashwa.
Very good. Yes. Continue.
Pavitraha plus Acharyaha. Akara, Visarga preceded by Akara and followed by Ach, except A. Then Visarga will be replaced by
Replaced by
Yakara.
Yakara.
Yakara. Pavitra Charyaha.
Pavitra Yacharyaha.
Pavitra Yacharyaha. And Yakara will become Lopaha. Pavitra Acharyaha.
When does Yakara become Lopaha?
When
it is Padanta.
Danta.
That is important. Padanta Yakara Vakara is important. Here Pavitraha is a Padam. Like Rama Shabda, Pavitraha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Padanta Yakara Vakara preceded by Avarna, A or A. Followed by Ach letter. It can become followed by Ach letter. Yes. Of course. Followed by Ach letter, it can become Lopaha optionally. If it is followed by Hal, a consonant, it must become Lopaha. That we will see later. It will come. When it is followed by Ach, Yakara Lopaha is optional. Therefore, you have two forms. But if it is followed by Hal, then it must become Lopaha. Right. Next person. Anuradhaji.
Nagari plus Aksharam, Yan Sandhi, Ikara plus Ya happens. So it's Nagari Aksharam. Vimala plus Aichatu, Vriddhi Sandhi happens and it becomes Vimalaichatu.
What is the rule for Vidhi Sandhi?
Akara or Akara, when followed by A or I, it becomes I. And Akara or Akara
Followed by A, not A, followed by H letter.
Followed by H letter.
A, O, I, O, right?
Yes, Sharanji.
Avarna followed by H letter. Purva Parayogastane, Vriddhi Adesha Bhavati. Purva and Para will be replaced by Vriddhi. Avarna followed by Ik letter, then Purva Parayogastane, Gunaha Adesha Bhavati. Okay. Not only I and O. A, O, I, O. Any letter follows. That is conjunct consonant.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Yes, Sharanji.
Next person. Rajaji.
Kapi plus Agachat. So this is Yen Sandhi Guruji. So Kapya Gachat.
What is Yen Sandhi? What is Yen Sandhi?
Ik followed by Ash.
No, Ik followed by Asavarna Ach, you have to say.
Asavarna Ach, yeah.
Yes.
So it will be replaced by N. So here E will be replaced by Yakara. So then Kapi plus Agachat becomes
Kapi plus Agachat, not Agachat, Agachat. There is no Agachat word. Agachat only. Past tense.
Agachat. Yes.
Next one.
Saha plus Tatra. So here the Lopa will happen because of the rule Saha and Yeshaha.
Yes.
Followed by Hal, the Visarga will disappear. Applying that rule, so it becomes Saha plus Tatra.
So you have to be very alert here when you see Saha. Saha means that Visarga has to be dropped when followed by Hal. Don't think that Visarga followed by Kar letter, therefore Visarga will become Sakara. That is wrong. Okay. Here directly you have to apply that rule. That Visarga, if it belongs to Yeshaha Saha and followed by Hal, just drop it. Okay. This rule should come to the mind immediately. Okay, good. Next person. Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji. Eshaha Anayati. Just now you said this, Guruji. Yes. When there is Eshaha, the Visarga gets just dropped. Esha Anayati.
No. Think. Visarga is dropped. Is that what it?
Dropped. When it, sorry?
Yeah, tell me. Is it that one? Simply drops. What is the rule says? Yeshaha, that Saha and Yeshaha. Go back and see the rule.
Esh plus Sa plus A.
Okay. Followed by any letter except A. Okay. Yeah. That's what I have written here. It's okay. For you now it is okay, but later this rule I have to modify. I'll modify it later. It's okay. Now
Okay.
whatever you said is fine. Because this followed by, even when Rajaji also I said the same thing, followed by hull, it is dropped. Followed by a consonant, it is dropped. But I have written here, when followed by any letter except a. Let me explain that. With the background knowledge, you will understand what I have written. Let me explain that. Here, I will type it and then I will, this is a note. So here, remember this saha or yeshaha, when followed by hull, the consonant, then you apply, what's the rule number? Rule number is, the chart it is rule number 16, right? I think in the rule number 16, I just type rule number 16. Rule number 16 will apply, and it will make visarga lopaha bhavati. Yeshaha, then al will come. You understand this equation? I'm writing like this. Can you follow? Yeshaha or saha or yeshaha followed by a word beginning with hal, the consonant. Then applying the rule number 16, the visarga is just dropped. Yesha saha, then yesha hal. Example for this, you can give an example. Saha gacchati. What will happen? Apply rule number 16. You get?
Sa gacchati.
Sa gacchati. Similarly, yeshaha, whatever may be, right? Same. Or let me write saha or yeshaha. Sa gacchati or yesha gacchati. Now, see here. Now saha agacchati. Suppose if it is there, saha agacchati. Rule number 16, really speaking, that visarga of saha and yeshaha is dropped only when consonant follows. That is what the rule is. But I have mentioned that any letter other than a. That's the reason why I said like that. Now, saha plus agacchati. The rule is when followed by hal, it is dropped. But here it is followed by what?
Akara.
Akara, it's a vowel. So apply the rule what you know. What rule?
Becomes yakara.
Exactly.
Yakara, which is
Visarga preceded by a and followed by a. So
Dirgha.
becomes sai agacchati. Right?
Yep.
After that, what will happen to padanta yakara?
Lopaha bhavati.
That is lopaha bhavati. That is what I have written there. You may not able to see that now, but now you know it. Sa agacchati. So rule number 16, really speaking, says the visarga of saha and yeshaha is just dropped when followed by hal, whereas when followed by ach, other than short a, rasvakara, what will happen? The visarga will become yakara and then it is dropped. But anyway, it looks same as though both, right?
Yeah.
In
That's
both cases, what happens? It looks as though that visarga itself is dropped. But really speaking, the visarga is not dropped in this case. In this case, it becomes yakara, and the yakara can become lopaha optionally. Therefore, we have two forms. Saya gacchati is one form, sa agacchati is another form. Right? Saya gacchati is one form, sa agacchati is another form. So this form looks same as the previous one. That is why, for our understanding, I wrote in the rule like that. Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji. Now it is very clear.
And counter example I'll give. You can see saha plus aham. What will happen here?
Soham.
Here visarga preceded by a, followed by a. So visarga will be replaced by the general rule ukara. Then aham. It will become so. Then aham. Then after that purva rupa sandhi will apply. You get soham. Is it clear? Please note this. So Nothing wrong in what I wrote. Okay, that is for the beginners. Now you are not a beginner anymore. Okay, you should know what it is. So, in the rule number 16, if you see, you don't know the sutra, it doesn't matter. The sutra Hali is there. Hali means only when consonant follows. That is what Panini Maharishi says in this sutram. Etat tadoho sulopaha, that sakara becomes lopaha when hal, the consonant, follows, he says. When consonant follows only, it becomes lopaha. What about when ach follows other than a? It doesn't become lopaha directly, it becomes yakara and then become lopaha. Okay, please note this point. Okay, that is not a special rule. Already the rule we know. Therefore, Girijaji, Yeshaha Anayati,
Yes,
here,
Guruji.
Visarga is not just drop. It becomes yakara and then it is dropped
Yeah.
because it is followed by the vowel.
Wow.
You can say Visarga drop, that's okay, but you are with the backed up by this knowledge. If you say it is okay, fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
The next one, you can read the next one. Pata plus vas.
Pata plus vas. A plus a.
No, there is no a plus and all. What suddenly can happen? Pata plus vas. Pata plus vas, pata vas only, right? What sandhi can happen between a plus akara? Nothing happened, right? Nothing happens. Pata plus
No.
is pata vas only. Just
Yeah.
join. Pata vas. After that, you apply the rule. Pata vas is now. You have the word pata vas. What will happen to pata vas?
Padanta sakara becomes
Yes.
refa. Refa gets replaced by what is that?
Repa is replaced by visarga.
Visarga. I'm not getting the word visarga. I was.
You can add one more step.
Plus refa plus visarga.
It is patavaru, then patavaru is nothing but repa. Then repa is padanta repa, followed by what? Followed by avasana. Therefore becomes
Avasana.
visarga.
Yeah, avasana. Hence
Say
visarga.
avasana. Therefore becomes visarga. Next person.
Yes, Guruji. Nai plus anam. This is ayadi sandhi.
Yes. In ayadi sandhi, what? In ayadi sandhi, which is sthani?
I.
I is the sthani. So I is replaced by
I.
yes. Nayanam. Okay. Next one.
Udara plus audaryam. So it is a followed by au. So it is vriddhi sandhi.
What are the vriddhi letters?
The letters will be
She will answer. Jyotiji will answer.
I, au.
I and au. And guna letters?
A, o, la, ra.
A, A, O. That's all. Right? And vriddhi are not only I and au. A, I, au. 3 guna letters, 3 vriddhi letters. You can remember.
Yes, Guruji.
Vriddhi letters are A, that is dirghakara, then I and O, and guna letters are harasvakara, A and O. Next person.
Charanji, when you say vriddhi letter is the dirgha a, won't it be in savarna, Charanji? Could you please explain that?
What's savarna?
Yeah, vriddhi letters are a and au only will be the adesha, right, Charanji?
I'm not here telling Vadesha part. What are vriddhi letters in general? I asked.
Oh, okay.
What are vriddhi letters? A, I, O are vriddhi letters. Similarly, A, O are guna letters. But here what happens? A plus O, what happens? So A plus O will be replaced by a vriddhi letter. What are the vriddhi letters?
A, and au.
A, I and O.
I and au, yes.
Now, Purva letter is Akara and the Uttara letter is Au. Both will be replaced by a Vriddhi letter. Now, 3 people have come. Only 1 chair is there. So, you have to offer the chair to the eligible person, the deserved person.
Yeah.
It's called Swayamvara. Whom will you choose between the 3? A, I, Au.
Au.
Which is the best choice?
Au.
Why Au is the best choice? Based on what?
The para.
Not para, no.
The pronunciation.
Exactly, the
Yes.
place of pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
The preceding here, Akara is Kanta, Au is Kanta, Oshta, right?
Yeah.
Now, among the Vriddhi letters, A is only Kanta, I is Kanta and Talu.
Talu.
That's why we chant every class, okay? You have to remember. I is Kanta and Talu. So that cannot be the right choice. And A alone cannot be the right choice. What is left out is Au. Au has got both Kanta and Oshta. And here also Kanta and Oshta. So that is the best choice. You offer the seat to him.
Okay.
So logic, okay?
Yeah.
So therefore, Udara Udaryam. The next person. Who's the next person? Kausalyaji. Kausalyaji, you did now? No.
No.
Yeah.
1A plus Acharati.
Hmm.
Here it is Ayadi Sandhi. So A is replaced by I. So 1I Acharati.
Can you apply
So,
Purva Rupa Sandhi here?
Yes, Guruji.
Really?
No.
Huh? Think. Kausalyaji will answer, okay? First, the person
Purva,
who will answer.
Padanta ing, right?
Purva
Followed by
Rupa Sandhi
Rasva.
will apply.
Oh,
or not?
no. No, it won't. Rasva, it's not followed by Rasvaha.
You have to see both the conditions. Padanta ing
Okay.
followed by Rasva Ach. Rasva Akara, not Ach. Rasva Akara only.
Rasva.
Not
So
any
it won't be
Ach.
applied.
Rasva Akara.
It won't be applied.
It won't apply.
Yakara will become Lopaha because it's Padanta Yakara.
Then Ayadi Sandhi will only apply. Then Padanta Yakara becomes Lopaha, optionally.
Lopaha.
Why optionally? Because the vowel follows, therefore option. The consonant follows, it must become Lopaha. That's a rule.
Okay.
Though we have not seen, will come later, but you can remember. If a vowel follows, then Yakara, Padanta Yakara Vakara, preceded by Avarna, that condition is important. Special optional rule, that is how I taught you in the beginning. Remember? Padanta Yakara Vakara preceded by Avarna, followed by Aj, will become Lopaha optionally. Whereas when followed by Hal, the consonant, the Yakara must become Lopaha. So therefore, only you have 2 forms, Vanaya Acharati and Vana Acharati, right?
Yes, Guruji.
Vana Acharati, can you do Sandhi again?
No.
Why?
Because Yakara will appear. once
Yakara,
again.
Lopaha means Adarshanam only. It is not available for your perception, but it is there. It is there, but not available for our perception. If you try to do Sandhi, then it will pop up. I'm there, it will say. So you cannot do. You can write without space, doesn't matter. Vana Acharati. That's okay. Individual Vyasta Padam. But you cannot do Sandhi. Next one.
Kaha plus Api. Visarga is preceded by A, followed by Ach.
Followed by A.
Ukara,
Followed by A
sorry.
only.
Followed by A. So it's replaced by Ukara. Guna Sandhi will happen. A plus O. So Ko plus Api. Kopi.
After
and
that,
Purva Rupa.
Purva Rupa will
After
apply.
that, Purva Rupa will happen.
Because Api is Padam, beginning with Rasva Akara. Therefore, Purva Rupa Sandhi will apply.
Purva Rupa will happen.
This Abhyasa has to come. You have to see the words and Visarga preceded by Ha, followed by Ha. This Abhyasa, this Samskara has to come. You have to practice. The next one, Surendraji.
next one. Kale agachati. This ayadi sandhi. H followed by H letter.
Hmm.
Then the A will become Ya.
Not A will become Ya.
So Kalai.
There's no A will becoming Ya. A will become I. Okay, continue. Kale, the A becomes A becomes I. Then Yakara becomes Lopaha. Yakara becomes Lopaha optionally. Why? Because followed by vowel. So Kalaya Gachati is one form and Kala Agachati is another form. You have to write it. See, when you have to write and get this samskara, that still you are struggling. The basic Achandi have got problem. Next one.
Parvadaha.
Not Parvataha.
Parvadaha Vahniman.
Vanniman.
Vahniman.
Not Vahniman at all. It is Vanniman.
Visarga Vanniman. Vanniman. Visarga preceded by Akara, followed by Ash letter.
Yes.
So that will become further guna will become U become O. Parvado Vahni.
O will not become O. Remember, you cannot say like that. Having listened to so many classes, how can you say O will become O? A plus U will become O only, not U will become O. Guna Sandhi, what is the condition of Guna Sandhi? Avarna followed by ik letter. I keep repeating the same thing. I don't know. A plus U will be alone become O. The words are important. What you say is important. You say something, maybe you may understand, but how do I know what you understand? You have to express it properly. A plus U alone will become O. O will not become O. If O will become O, what will happen? A plus O again will become Vritti. That is wrong. Say it very clearly. Visarga is replaced by Ukara, and Visarga since preceded by A plus U will become O. That is how you have to say. Okay. Next one. Next person. Lataji.
Manavaha plus Upaveshanti. Visarga preceded by A and followed by Ash letter. And Visarga will be replaced by Yakara. Manava Upaveshanti. Either this Yakara becomes Lopaha because it is followed by vowel. Next, Sarve plus Agachan. Sarve Gachan.
Yakara will become Lopaha, optionally followed by vowel.
Manava Upaveshanti. Sarve plus Agachan. Padantayang is followed by Hashva. The Puru Upasandhi will happen. Sarve Gachan.
Yes. Next person. Anuradhaji.
Vimane plus Atishtam.
Atishtat.
Atishtat. So it's Padanta Eng followed by Hrasvaha. So Purvarupa happens. Nari plus.
So you have to see Vimana is Padanta. How do you know it's a Padam?
Because
because
Vimane, it can be, it's a Napumsakalinga, so it can be either Pratama or Dvitiya, Dvivachanam, or seventh case.
7-1, or it could be Sambodhana also.
Sambodhana also.
More than that, Atishtat Kriyapadam is there. It's a lung form. Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam, Atishtat. Right? It is a lung form. Stood. So therefore that is a Kriya Padam. Therefore this must be a Padam. If that is a Padam, this must be a Padam. Okay. If you don't know Atishtat, we'll see that it's going to come. I think I have not taught you Lang Lakara. In this class I have not taught. So Atishtat. The Kriya Padam Atishtat, like Tishtati. Tishtati Lat Lakara, Atishtat Lang Lakara.
Okay.
From that also you can inference it. Okay. So therefore it's a Padam. Vimane atishtat becomes Vimane tishtat. Next one.
Nari plus Uktavati, that is Yan Sandhi. Ikara followed by Asavarna, it becomes Yakara.
Nariktavati. Yes. Rajaji.
So Bhavantah plus Sarve. Here the Visarga Sandhi happens, Guruji. There is the Visarga followed by Kar letter. In fact,
Yes.
here it is Hash. So within Kar it is Hash. So the
Within
Visarga will
Kar,
be
it is
replaced by-
within Kar, what is you said? Within Kar,
Sorry, Guruji.
you said something. Within Kar, it is
that,
not Hush.
it
You
is,
said
that-
something, I heard
it
Hush.
is that, sorry. It is not Hash, Guruji. It is what do you call the
Shar letter.
Shar letter? Yeah,
Shar. Within Kar, it is Shar. Hush is
correct.
soft consonant.
Yeah. So,
It's
sorry, Guruji.
completely different.
No, by slip of tongue.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm just saying. Okay.
Yeah. So this is the Visarga will be replaced by Sakara. So then this will become Bhavanta Sarve.
Yes.
So next one Patanaya plus Agamanam. So this is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Patanaya Gamanam.
Here, which is a stani? Patanaya plus Agamanam.
Stani is both the
Yes.
the Akara for the Purva Padam and then Akara the Parapadam. Both are getting.
Both are stani. Yes.
Both are-
Patanaya, what vibhakti?
Sorry, I'm not.
Chaturthi.
It should be simple. Should be able to say Palam Pale Palani and all we have seen, right? Don't forget Sanskritam, the language part. Language part also important because we are doing Sandhi. Don't forget that. Patanaya is Chaturthi, Ramaya, Patanaya, Palaya, Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Yeah.
Sampradana Karaka, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Patanaya Agamanam. Agamanam is arrival. Arrival for study, for the sake of study. Next one. Next person, back to Girijaji. Girijaji, you can unmute.
Sorry, Guruji. Atra plus evam. This is Vriddhi Sandhi. Atraivam.
Yes.
Akara. Should I say the?
Can say, no problem. Yes, say, please say.
Yeah, Vriddhi Sandhi is A or A followed by H letter.
H letter.
Purva, H letter. Purva para will be replaced by I and Au. So
Purva
here
para.
Atraivam.
Yes. Okay, yes.
Mitraha plus Amitraha. Mitraha. Visarga is preceded by A and followed by short A. So Visarga will be replaced by U, and U plus A will be Guna will happen.
U plus A will not be Guna. A plus U only Guna. U plus A will become Yan Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi, sorry.
Not Yan Sandhi. You said wrongly.
Yeah, no.
You said U plus A. U plus
U
A
plus
is
A.
wrong. A plus U.
Mitro.
Visarga replaced by Ukara, then A plus U, Guna will happen O, right?
Mitro. Yeah. Okay.
Then-
And then it is because it is Padanta Mitro.
Yes,
No.
correct. Padanta Yang letter.
Padanta Yang. So optionally it gets dropped and
Optionally. Why optionally?
Mitro Mitraha. Oh.
There is no optionally. Padanta Yang followed by a Padam beginning with Hrasva Akara. Purva Sandhi will apply. Sandhi is optional, that is different. Purva Sandhi, if at all if Sandhi can be applied, only one Sandhi, that is Purva Sandhi. There is no optionality there.
Okay, good.
Purva Sandhi is applied. If you want to join, apply Sandhi rule, only one Sandhi rule is possible, Purva Sandhi. Padanta Yang followed by Rasva Akara.
Yeah.
You have to write it step by step. Then only you will understand this. I'm just explaining, but you have to
Yes, Guru.
practice.
Yes, Guruji. I will practice more.
Next person, Jyotiji.
Labha plus alabha. So visarga is replaced by u because it is followed by rasva akara
Preceded by Rasvakara, both.
and then followed by akara. So it becomes a plus u. So o, labho, lava, that is purva rupa also happens. And ekaha vrukshaha, it is visarga preceded by a and followed by khar letter. So eko vrukshaha.
Followed by kar letter, really?
Wait.
Akara is a kar letter.
No.
Why suddenly kar letter?
No, it is a hush letter.
Hash letter. If it is a kar letter, then how can it become O? Not possible.
No. Yes, Guruji. Yes, Guruji.
So Eko Vriksha. Now, because you said wrongly, for you another one more word. You tell me what will happen here.
Eshaha vrukshaha. So the visarga of eshaha will be dropped. Esha vrukshaha.
Yes. What is the rule?
It becomes followed by any consonant. The visarga is dropped.
Visarga is dropped for Eshaha and Saha. Right. Okay. Yes. Next person. Kausalyaji.
Ma plus evam, vriddhi sandhi, a followed by a, so I, maivam. Vina plus ekam, again vriddhi sandhi, vinaikam, a plus a, I,
Yes.
followed by.
Good. Next person. Surendraji.
Which is that?
Highlighted.
Mahataha plus bayat. Visarga preceded by a followed by as letter.
Yes.
Visarga will be replaced by u.
Good.
Then u become u plus a will become u.
Not clear.
Therefore,
Not
we
clear.
must be
Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Visarga replaced by Ukara.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Mahadu Ukara.
Then what happens
with
after that?
Ukara will become the Guna Sandhi will happen.
Again, you are saying
Mahado
Ukara will
Bayat.
become, Ukara will become. Ukara will never become anything. A plus U will become Guna. You have to tell that properly. Okay.
A
Next
plus
one.
U. Guna Sandhi.
Magato Bhayat. Okay. Continue. Next one.
Eighth.
Va plus
The next
Etat.
is Vriddhi Sandhi. Akara followed Va plus Etat. Akara followed by H letter. Then Vriddhi will happen.
Yes.
Vaitat.
Vaitat. All the examples, you have to write it. You have to write it in using the pen and pencil, you have to write it in a paper. Step by step. Till you get familiar. Then only the Sandhi will be clear. Okay. For everybody, I am saying, you have to write it. You have to practice. At least some, if I have given 100 examples, you practice at least 25 examples. It's important. Then next person, Lataji.
Varunihi plus Arunam. Varuni Rarunam. Visarga preceded by any vowel and followed by al, and no sandhi.
Followed by al.
Al and
Followed by. What is followed by al? Oh, any letter, any vowel, any letter. Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay, fine.
Followed by al. Then no sandhi is happened. Repa
Yes.
remains the same.
Okay.
Dware plus agataha. It's ayadi sandhi. Padanta yang is followed by any letter. And dwarya gataga. And ya become yakara
What did
becomes
you say?
lopaha,
Padanta, you said Padanta Yang followed by something you said.
followed by any letter.
No. That's why Padanta Yang here. Padanta Yang doesn't come at all here. H letter followed by H.
H is followed by.
If you say Padanta Yang, then people may think that's not Purva Sandhi.
H is followed by letter. Then it A will be replaced by yakara, and yakara will become lopaha optionally.
Okay.
It is followed by vowel, so it becomes lopaha.
It followed the Yakara Lopaha happens. When does Yakara Lopa happens?
Followed by vowel.
When does Yakara Lopa happen?
Dvaryagata.
When does Yakara Lopa happen for this? One is without Lopaha, Dvarayagataha. Now this Yakara will become Lopaha. When?
Padanta.
That you have to say Padanta Yakara or Vakara, preceded by Avarna.
Yes, sir. Padanta
Followed by
yakara.
Ash letter. Then only it is complete, otherwise not complete. Padanta Yakara Vakara. That if that condition is not there, you cannot do it. Now you do this Sandhi. You do this Sandhi. What will happen? She will answer. Only Lataji will answer. Yes.
Nayanam.
What Sandhi is that?
It's a Ayadi Sandhi only.
So what will happen to nice? You tell me step by step, I will type.
Yes, sir. Nakara plus au.
Nakara plus au.
Nice. I.
What will happen to I?
I, and followed by akara. H is followed by akara.
Yes. Okay.
Then I will be replaced by aya. I.
Okay. It's not nai. Okay. Let me make it. It's a may. It's a mistake. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So what I wrote was correct. Okay. Now you tell me.
Then I.
Okay. Then
Plus nam.
Then what will happen?
Nayanam.
Why don't you drop Yakara here?
Because it is it's not Padanta.
It is not Padanta Yakara. Therefore, it is not dropped. Otherwise, it will become Na plus Ayanam. That is a wrong thing. Here, it is Nayanam only. Here, Yakara, you cannot drop it. The counter example. Why Yakara cannot be dropped? Because this Yakara is not a Padanta Yakara. Even though preceded by Avarna, followed by Ash letter, then the Yakara will not drop because it is not Padanta Yakara Vakara. Understand this example?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next person, Anuradhaji. That's why every condition is important. The condition has to be complete. There is no partial. You have to tell completely. Yes. Anuradhaji.
Guruhu plus Vishnuhu. It is one step back because Visarga itself is not there. It is Guru Vishnuhu.
Good.
And Prakrutaha plus Vikrutaha. Visarga preceded by Akara followed by Hash letter. So it becomes Visarga becomes U, and A plus U it's becomes O by Guna.
Yes.
Prakruto
Vikrutaha. Okay. I think Sandhi, we have many examples in the class itself we have done. So you do little homework, it will be clear. You see the whole Sandhi Sandhi rules and examples and all the Achsandhi rules, whatever it is there, everything we covered in the class. So now you need to do some abhyasa. So more rules are there. I mean, more rules are there, more examples are there. We will do in the class. So the class will go at this pace, slow pace. Is it okay, no, for all of you?
Yes, Guruji, this is what we want.
Yes, Guruji.
We need the drilling.
Yes. Okay. So we stop here.
Thank you.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanta Shanta Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyawad Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್ಜಿ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Guruji, if you have just a minute, I want to ask you
Yes, please.
one of this. This is, I think, in Mantra Pushpam only. That why Shravanaya Kurmahe. What is that why letter?
Why is
Namo Vaishravanaya Kurmahe.
it is Avyaya. Why is indeed. That's the
Why
meaning.
means indeed, is it? I tried to look it in the dictionary, but I couldn't. When I typed why, nothing was coming up. Is it some other word that it turns into why?
Namo Vaishravanaya. Why is
Namo
it's
Vaishravanaya.
hmm.
Why means indeed. Okay. Because I got it in some other shloka also. Sarvada bhishta dataram satam vai dhrudama
You
have.
will see in many Vedic mantras. you
Yeah.
will
So
see
why
that.
means indeed, is it? Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. That's all I wanted to ask
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Dhanyawad. Thank you.